Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Volvo Christian, and welcome to the magnificent XC90. So this is an XC90 model 25.5, so the redesigned XC90. It's finished off in the bright exterior trim. We got the Bright Dusk metallic paintwork over the beautiful Cardamom upholstery. This is a press car from Volvo Car Norway. I've had it for 1 week. I'm currently now on a little Easter road trip, and today you're going to join me for my second leg. The first leg was from Oslo to Malmö on Thursday. Today is Saturday, and I'm actually heading from Malmö and up to a place in northern Denmark called Løkken beach. So we're going to cross over that bridge you can see in the background, in the foggy background, Øresund Bridge, the bridge that connects Sweden and Denmark over there in the distance. So this is the second leg from Malmö to Løkken beach, and then just up to Hirtshals to take the ferry over to Kristiansand and back to Norway. And I'm going to take this wonderful XC90. As far as I know, the roads through Denmark are primarily highway with speed limit of approximately 130 kilometers per hour. So hopefully today I can really get a move on with this XC90. But I have to also be careful with the speed limits, because there is a rule or a law in Denmark that says that if you're driving over 200 kilometers per hour or twice the speed limit, then the police and government can actually repossess your car. And this is not my car, and they take it either way. And this is the car to Volvo Car Norway, so I have to be careful. But then again, luckily, or depends on how you look at it, the XC90 and all new Volvos have a speed cap of 180 kilometers per hour. So I can't really exceed 200 or twice the speed limit on the highway. So it's no problem for me. Actually, I'm just going to set the cruise control at 130, maybe 140, and just hammer down with this glorious XC90. Going to enjoy the ventilated seats with massage. Going to enjoy the Bowers of Wilkins. And also we're going to look at the consumption to see how it is, if I can maintain like 130 for a good while. It's approximately 401 kilometers to this Løkken beach, so approximately 400 kilometers with highway driving. Hopefully without so much queue. But yeah, and then I will probably take you on a little scenic tour with me over the bridge, if we can see anything while I'm driving on it, and then over the highway before we will rejoin at Løkken beach, the famous Løkken beach that I've actually visited quite some time, that I visited a couple of times. And the most memorable event was like 5 or 6 years ago, maybe 5 years ago, also with an XC90 press car. So I'm gonna relive that moment. But let's get started and kick off this drive through Denmark. I have arrived my location, Løkken beach in Denmark. It is windy as heck. It is raining, so I can't be outside for too long, or else my camera will be broken. But look at this majestic view. Holy crap. And look at the XC90. Oh, I just love the XC90 and love this location. I wish the weather was slightly better so I could drive up and down this sand beach here. But as you may see, yeah, it's pretty windy and it's wet. But amazing, amazing scenery. I just love this view here. I actually visited here like 5 or 6 years ago, give or takes, with another XC90 press car. I can overlay a picture of that. Amazing memory for me, and something I really cherish, to look back at these memories with previous trips I've done. And this trip here was quite special. But yeah, amazing memories at this location. And just look at this majestic view. But as you, the weather are shit, so I have to just grab a couple of pictures, take a little driving sequence here maybe. But and then I have to hurry on to the ferry. It's departure time in 2 hours from the ferry port over here. But let's just enjoy this wonderful XC90. It has been a blast to drive from Malmö up here. Just cruising, hammering 400 kilometers on highway driving. The XC90 just performs brilliantly. It's such a masterpiece. Oh, I love the XC90 and I love this location here at Løkken Beach. But let's feast your eyes on this magical backdrop. Holy crap. It's windy. Oh.
Take you there.
Hello again. You're now joining me from the inside of the car. The weather just got worse and worse at the Løkken beach. Really windy and the rain is just pouring down. And I also had a ferry to catch. I'm currently in the ferry queue. The clock is like 10:06 and the last boarding are 15 over. So yeah, just in time. But it's like 40 or 50 cars in queue here. But we have to look at the consumption. I can just overlay a picture. I have driven 555 kilometers. This trip automatic started from the hotel this morning. But either way, consumption 11.1 liter per 100. Total time 7 hours and 25 minutes and average speed 78 kilometers per hour. The average speed are pretty low, but it's you have to bear in mind that I had the car running on the photo shoot and video at Løkken Beach, and I also had it in the introduction. And then we had a long stretch with reduced speed because of construction work, so the speed was reduced to like 80, but it was in practicality like 60 to 70. But for the rest of the trip we have had speed limits from 110 kilometers per hour and up to 130. So that is in miles per hour, it's like between 70 and 80 miles per hour, give or takes. And I had some stretches where I could really stretch out my foot. So we had good speed most of the trip. But we had shitty weather. It has been raining cats and dogs all the way. I've had a wiper going all the way. Yeah, shitty weather, but so the consumption are actually not too bad. 11.1. Yeah, I have to be pleased with that. High speed most of the trip, shitty weather, wind, rain, yeah. Rocking 21-inch alloys, but now it's time to get on this ferry over to Norway. And I hope I'll see you in the next video. Maybe I can include some scenic trip pictures from the ferry. But yeah, it's crazy much fog. I can't see the ferry. I hope bit zero. It's pretty foggy, but if I get any decent view out of the ferry, I will include a couple of pictures of that. But I hope I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.